about occupation? Occupation is something that you do for your work or your job when you get older, okay? Like an occupation. Let me think of one. What occupation can we think of? I know one. It starts with T. Teacher. Yes, that's an occupation. It's very good. Can you think of one? What about an occupation that help when you're sick? Like now. That's right. A doctor. Very good. And who helps the doctor? Who helps the doctor? A nurse. That's right. Good job. Now, somebody else who makes people better, but not people. Somebody who helps animals. Do you know what they're called? Did you say it? It starts with the vet. Yes, very good. A vet. Good job. Now, what about someone who likes to do cooking in a restaurant? Did you say it? That's right. A chef. I like chefs because they make yummy food. And what about somebody who grows things in the land and looks after animals for our food? Did you get it? A farmer. That's right. Well done. And then this one has to be very brave. Okay? Very, very brave. They climb up ladders and they put out the fire. What are they called? Do you remember? Well done! A firefighter, yes! Excellent. And what about when we go shopping? Who sells us things? Huh? Yes, that's right. When you want to buy something, you have to go and see a shopkeeper. Well done! That's very, very good. Okay. Now, I know a little song to do with this. Let's see if I can sing it for you, and then you can sing it with me. Okay? I want to be a teacher. I want to be a teacher. What do you want to be? Okay? And then we go, I want to be a doctor. I want to be a doctor. What do you want to be? Very good. And the next one? I want to be a nurse. I want to be a nurse. What do you want to be? Good job. And another one? I want to be a vet. I want to be a vet. What do you want to be? Good job. Now cooking. I want to be a chef. I want to be a chef. What do you want to be? Good job. 3 more. Are you ready? I want to be a farmer. I want to be a farmer. What do you want to be? Good job. I want to be a fireman. I want to be a fireman. What do you want to be? Last one. I want to be a shopkeeper. I want to be a shopkeeper. What do you want to be? Did you get that? Well done, that's very good. Shall we sing it all in one go? Everybody together. Are you ready? Okay.
Ready.
Here we go. 1, 2, 3.
Let's go.
I want to be a teacher. I want to be a teacher. What do you want to be? I want to be a doctor. I want to be a doctor. What do you want to be? I want to be a nurse. I want to be a nurse. What do you want to be? I want to be a vet, 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 vet. I want to be a vet, vet, vet. What do you want to be? I want to be a chef, 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 chef. I want to be a chef, chef, chef. What do you want to be? I want to be a farmer, farmer, farmer. I want to be a farmer. What do you want to be? I want to be a fireman, fireman, fireman. I want to be a fireman. What do you want to be? I want to be a shopkeeper, shopkeeper, shopkeeper. I want to be a shopkeeper. What do you want to be? Well done, everyone. Did you sing along? And you can use all the occupations. Okay? That was very good. So let's look at one more time at the vocab, and then we're going to go for today. Are you ready? So what's this one? We have teacher, well done, and doctor, yes, and nurse, good job, and vet, good. Chef, well done. Farmer, good job. Fireman, good. And shopkeeper, that's right. Well done, good job. Okay, and don't forget, see us every day on Coaching English Facebook page. And say bye-bye now. Bye-bye. See you soon, kids.